Ladies and gentlemen,
You're rocking with the best.
I got the juice.
Hey, what's up, guys? This your girl Shay from Got the Scoop, and we're about to get into DymondsFlawless accusing Monaleo of stealing her dog. In all reality, she left the dog. Before I play the clips, I'm going to tell you what really happened. Apparently, DymondsFlawless and Monaleo was exchanging words and text messages. You know, girly girls texting, and Monaleo invited DymondsFlawless to her Rolling Loud set, being that she said she was going to be in Cali. So, when Dymond got there, Dymond brought her dog, Uno. Monaleo didn't know nothing about the dog because her boyfriend's manager is actually allergic to dogs, and he was going to babysit the dog at the house. Okay, let's fast forward. Monaleo claims that Dymond was very, very strange around her family, touching and doing things just to cause a reaction. She took Dymond to Rolling Loud, and guess what? Dymond didn't even stay for her set. Dymond was wandering around on live and enjoying herself instead of supporting and enjoying the person that brought her there, Monaleo. So Monaleo made it clear that when it was time to leave Rolling Loud, Dymond was nowhere to be found. Dymond wasn't answering her phone, her text message, none of that shit. Well, later on that night, she saw Dymond posting on Instagram, going on Instagram Live, but not answering her. Monaleo was trying to contact her and tell her to come get her dog. Well, the next morning, Dymond took matters in her own hand and went to Instagram. Dymond said, "Can someone tell Monaleo to give me back Uno? Because I called 911 and they won't get him. I need my dog now." Well, apparently, she was lying because Monaleo showed proof that she'd been trying to contact her since Rolling Loud. Well, let's get into the video.
But first of all, y'all, this is my week. This is my first time at Rolling Loud this weekend. I flew my whole family out here so that we can enjoy ourselves out here in LA. Some of my family members have never been out to LA. It's my younger brother's birthday. Like, I'm trying to enjoy the damn weekend. Like, I'm trying to enjoy my fucking weekend. First of all, like, why would I? Anyway, to make a very long story short, I'm not going to call her crazy because y'all already know how I feel about shit like that. I'm a mental health advocate, period, point blank, and I know that she is going through things. So I'm not passing no judgment. You get what I'm saying? I'm not passing no judgment on nobody because, you know, shit happens. And I understand, like, people go through things. Shit, I go through things, so I get it. I understand. But this girl, okay. Okay, let me just start from the beginning. I'm going to make this real quick, for real, because I don't even want to be talking about this all day. She texted me a couple days ago. She said she was coming to Rolling Loud. She asked me when, like, she was like, when you going, like, when was I performing? I said, I'm performing on Sunday at 1:30. Pull up. The same day, she proceeds to post something on Instagram that says she was checking herself into a mental health hospital. So I was like, oh no. And then the last thing she texted me was, oh, I just booked my flight. I'm finna be on the way out there. So when I saw that she posted she was going to a mental health hospital, I was like, I texted her and I was like, are you still coming? Because I didn't know, because she told me that she was finna get on her flight. So I was like, hey, you coming? Or, because I was like, damn, you told me you was about to get on a flight, so if you lying to me. And so I was like, yeah, I'm not fucking with that. Because y'all know how I feel about mental health. I don't fuck with that. I don't fuck with shit like that, period, point blank. So I'm talking to my manager, and I'm like, yeah, you know, this girl who I be kind of interacting with, she said she was going to come out here, but she just said, I showed him the post, and I was like, yeah, I'm not really fucking with this. I don't really think I want to talk to her anymore. And my manager, being a good person, I'm not even just going to say that he did anything wrong, but he just was like, no, I don't think you should ghost her. I think you should invite her. Like, invite her out. Maybe talk to her. Maybe you can be somebody that she can lean on. You know? Like, she was saying, he was like, maybe you can talk some sense, not talk some sense into her, but maybe you can just be that person for her in her life. I think it'll be fire. I think you could, you know, talk to her about your experiences. Whoop-de-whoop, blase. So I'm like, okay, mind you, I don't know too much about this girl. I don't know about none of this shit that be going on social media because I don't keep up with shit like that. Let's start there. But I just know that I saw a clip of her at some point in time, a couple years ago, and she was talking about mental health and she was crying, and I remember feeling really bad for her. I was like, okay, I understand. So let me try to be there for this girl. Y'all, so yesterday morning, we're getting ready to go to Rolling Loud. We have 2 tour buses here. She comes to where I'm staying at, and she brings her dog. She didn't even tell me that she was bringing her dog. And so I'm telling her, like, yeah, my boyfriend's manager is allergic to dogs. You cannot bring the dog on the bus, but you can leave the dog here, and then we can come back, and then, you know, you can take your dog, and that'll be that. So she's like, okay. The whole time that she's here, y'all, she's acting super strange. She's acting really fucking strange. I was getting my makeup done by a very sweet lady. She was digging in the lady's makeup pouch, doing her own makeup. You know, like, just doing weird shit. Doing OD shit. Like, I don't, you know, it was throwing me off. It was throwing me off. But like I said, I understand what she's been through. So maybe something, like maybe shit just don't be clicking for her right then and there. So I'm like, okay. She's digging through the lady's makeup shit. She's like just telling us about how she was strange. And so I'm like, okay, we getting ready to go. I'm telling my manager, because at this point, my entire family is here. She's telling, like, I don't know, my entire family is talking to me like, hey, we not really fucking with her. She's kind of pissing us off. She's getting on our nerves. She's doing this. She's doing that. She's fucking with us. She went through my mother's purse. Like, just, you know, shit. She's going through my mom's purse, like OD weird shit. So I'm like telling my manager, I don't want her to come with us to Rolling Loud. This day is about me. This is my first time at Rolling Loud. I don't want her to fuck up this day. He's like, nah, it's good. Just bring her. We can't leave. You know, we can't just leave her. I'm like, you're right. We can't just leave her. But at the same time, shit, we could take her back home or whatever. But we was already running late. So, y'all, we're on the tour bus. I'm on a separate bus from her. She's on the bus with my family, but the whole time that she's on the bus with my family, she's touching all of their shit. She's picking their stuff up. She's like antagonizing my family, saying shit like.
She said, "I just wanted to see what y'all was gonna do if I was touching all y'all stuff."
She telling my family, I just wanted to see what y'all was gonna do if I touched all y'all stuff. So I'm like, okay, this is getting weird. Like, this is getting real. Like, I'm from Houston, like, I don't know what type of LA ass shit, or I don't know where she's from, but I'm from Houston, Texas. We don't do shit like that. Like, we don't do shit like that, but I be trying to be there for people because I'm a genuine ass person, and anybody who met me, who knows me truly, knows that I really give a fuck about human beings and individuals. So, like, that's really where the fuck I was coming from, but I definitely should have, like, okay, I should have just stood firm and been like, babe, you gotta go home. Like, I understand you going through shit, but you pissing my family off. And this is our moment. Like, this is the moment for us. Like, why are you fucking that up? That shit just was pissing me off. So anyway, we get to Rolling Loud. She doesn't even watch my set. Like, she doesn't even come to, like, we trying to get everybody in and get everybody with the wristband. She doesn't even watch my set, first of all. So what did you even come for? She doesn't watch my set when we're trying to leave Rolling Loud, because anybody knows the artist cannot just stay. You can't just stay at Rolling Loud. Like, you go, especially out here in LA, because there's been a lot of shit going on. So you're supposed to go to Rolling Loud and you're supposed to leave as soon as you're finished with your set. So I'm doing a head count and she's the only person that's missing. So we're like, okay, where is she at? I'm telling everybody I'm not going to leave her here, even though she's pissing everybody off. I'm not going to leave her here. We have to find her. So we're calling her phone. We're looking for her. She is answering the phone, then she's declining it. Then she puts her phone on Do Not Disturb and she goes on live. So I'm like, okay, they're rushing us out. We have to leave. So she stays at Rolling Loud. The entire time on the way back home, we are calling her phone, asking her, hey, where are you at? We're on the way home. You have to come and pick up your dog. Because I'm not a dog sitter. I'm not going to watch her dog. Like, you know, it was just weird shit. So we're all calling her phone. She's ignoring my phone calls, ignoring the text messages. Like, I don't know what's wrong. I don't know. Anyway, we get back home. Her dog is here, still here at the house. I'm calling her, please come and get your goddamn dog. I'm not a fucking dog sitter. I'm not finna watch your dog. My boyfriend's manager is allergic to dogs. Your dog cannot be here. She left her dog in the backyard. There's a pool in the backyard, so we bring the dog in the house. Even though my boyfriend's manager, again, is allergic to dogs, we bring her dog in the house. We feeding the dog, giving the dog water. I'm texting her, girl, please come get your goddamn dog. Like, this is crazy. She's on Instagram Live. She's out to eat with niggas. She's at the corner store doing bullshit last night. And I had to screen record the whole shit because I just knew she was going to wake up today and say some shit like, girl, give me my dog. Like, just weird shit. And I just really don't appreciate that because this weekend was about me, my family, like the people who genuinely support me, the people who genuinely care about me. And this is just another example of like having to be careful with who you be around, surround yourself with, protecting your space, your energy, etc. Because
So we're about to get into Dymond. Dymond went on live soon as Monaleo got off live. Instead of contacting her, she went on live and basically confirmed everything Monaleo said. She said that she wandered off. She was doing things to her family just to get a reaction out of them. She also made it clear that she even was going through the makeup artist stuff on purpose. Well, let's get into what Dymond had to say.
Believe in Jesus? Exactly. You know who they believe in? The fucking devil, bitch. And guess what? I'm both. Yeah, I'm both. Yeah, I let it. Yeah, I smoke. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. Who wants to smoke with me? Tell Monaleo pull up, cause she took my tree, bitch. You took my fucking dog. Jesus Christ. And then you have my ex-nigga calling me like, Dymond, where the fuck is our dog? Where the fuck is our fucking puppy? And I'm like, bro, they stole it. And they're like, how did she steal it? I didn't steal it. Yes, you did. Because first of all, the bitch purposely, Jesus Christ. Once we got on the Sprinter, all these little hoes, her little evil twin or whatever the fuck that bitch looks like, that looks just like her, was like, look at me. I'm like, do you think I know you? Because my net worth is way more than whatever the fuck the label y'all got going on. Because this shit is like, wah, bitch. Wah. She's like, it's my first time at Rolling Loud. This is Leo, right? This is my first time Rolling Loud. So when I walk in there, all the niggas is looking at me and I'm like, if a nigga looks at me one more time, I'm going to literally shoot them. And then she's doing her makeup. Well, the makeup ugly ass, dirty ass, stank ass, broke ass, dry pussy ass, no pH balance having ass bitch doing the makeup was like, who are you? And I'm like, who the fuck are you? Bitch, I would take your makeup and throw it in the fucking fire right now. Because this is fucking hell. Okay, we're literally in hell. And I don't give a fuck. Until the world change, I'm raising motherfucking hell, bitch. Yup, bitch. Knuck if you fucking buck, bitch. Got me fucked up. Bitch, you got me fucked up. The fuck? Y'all hoes swear y'all artists. Y'all are just broke and weird and want to pop pussy for these niggas that... like, she...
Scoopies, what are your thoughts? I want to know, how do you feel knowing that Dymond have mental health issues and she's getting herself in a lot of situations and she's jeopardizing people's relationships, people's careers, and people's character online? We also know that Monaleo, she is a survivor from suicide attempts. Monaleo used to deal with mental health issues and she's actually getting herself situated. She saw that Dymond had posted that she was going to check herself inside the psychiatric ward. Dymond said that she was trolling, she wasn't going, and she still came out to Rolling Loud to celebrate with Monaleo. She gets there, she shows out and act up. I want to know, do you think that people really need to disconnect and stop dealing with Dymond overall? Because we know she's human, we know she's dealing with things, but when it comes down to people's relationships, people's family, people's career. Like, you can't play with this, and a lot of lies and accusations. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.